This is the Pioneer TS-A6990F speaker package. The Pioneer TS-A6990F is a 5-way 6x9 speaker package. The speakers are designed to be used in both a behind-the-factory grill location or in a visible location, like a rear deck. The speaker package includes grills, wires, and mounting screws. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. Okay, I'm going to pop these open, and first thing I find here are the speaker wire connections, and you have the right and left connections here to connect up to your amplifier or the in-dash receiver, however you care to set that up. And you have some install screws for each of the speakers here, and we have the warranty card here. All right, so let's dump the speakers out. The Pioneer TS-A6990F is a 5-way 6x9 speaker package. The speakers are designed to be used in both a behind-the-factory grill location or in a visible location, like a rear deck. The package includes speaker grills for both 6x9 speakers. The grills are a full-coverage metal mesh design inside a polyurethane frame. The woofer is 6x9 inches. The mid-range is 2¼ inches. The tweeter is 3/4 of an inch, and the two super tweeters are each 3/8 inch. Frequency response for the TS-A6990F is from 22 Hz all the way up to 25,000 Hz. The maximum power handling capability is 700 watts, and the nominal power handling capability is 120 watts. And that is Pioneer's TS-A6990F 5-way 6x9 speaker. And what's in the box?